Did you know you can get free ton and free not coin from this agent 301 mining app on your Telegram? I know this might not be a new thing for some people, but if this is actually a new thing to you, and if you have not been doing this agent 301, then this is another opportunity for you to start right now. You can check the link in the comment section or the description of this video. And just to assure you that this is actually working, I have successfully withdraw about 171 not coin from this app, and that's because I don't really play this game. As you can see my ticket right here, I still have about 573, and I know some of you may have way better than this. If you do your daily check-in, you perform the tasks here, you should be having way more than this. And let me quickly show you how to get here. This is the home page, and then don't mind all those turn transaction pop-up. But if you really want to do it, then it's a thing you can do. But then I don't do it for now. I might be doing it later, but I don't. So these are ways to earn some points here. If you come down to the task section, you will see several tasks you can perform, and you will be able to earn some points for yourself. You see, I don't really perform any tasks here. And once you come to this game section, if you have the time, then you will see this wheel of fortune. Click on it, and that is where the wheel is. Once you have like 1 ton or 100 not coin here, you can click on the withdrawal option. Just click on it like this, then it will ask you to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, either NOT or ton coin. And the minimum for ton coin is 1 ton, while the minimum for NOT coin is 100 NOT coin. And let me show you the last one I withdraw from this, and this is it. I requested to withdraw of 171 NOT coin, which came through after like 20 something days interval, which is not bad. At least I received my NOT, and I don't pay for any turn transaction to get this. So in case you have time, you can quickly jump on this and make use of the opportunity before everything gets as it go be. Like this video, share it for more tappers to see, and don't forget to follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.